pipe, this kind of setup. It is hollow. One side it is open, other side it is fitted with a gas lighter, which we use at our home and kitchen also. Gas lighter. This question is for DMT. No, sorry, for audience. It is fitted with a gas lighter. In the middle, it is having a small opening also. Through that opening, I am going to put some pebbles of calcium carbide, which you must be knowing is fruit ripening material. So let me put the pebbles first. I am adding two pebbles of calcium carbide to this. Just see. After this, I am adding water to this. I am adding water over this paper. Let's see what happens. You have to give me the reason for this sound. What has produced this sound? Upon mixing water with calcium carbide, what has been produced which stopped like this sound? Yes. Sorry, no, it is not H2 gas. Anyone else? No, it's not calcium oxide. It's fruit ripening gas. It's a hint for you. Yes, Ashish? Which gas? Medium. No, not better. It is actually acetylene gas. Calcium carbide is reacting with water and is producing acetylene gas. It is a fruit ripening gas. Also, it is being used in welding. This acetylene gas is being burned by the gas lighter and which is creating popping sound. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed the demos.